Hey guys and girls, my name's Dan and welcome back to The Forge. In this episode of Trust Me, I'm a blacksmith. Let's make some big ass rivets. Fairly random little video. This is a project that I started a while ago. It's technically a rivet snap, I guess. That does the top part of the rivet, and then that's the body. But yeah, technically it's a rivet snap. But these are sort of like maybe would be used for pins. So these are made to tolerance, and it's just a project that I want to start going on. I've got a little job that requires something similar to this, but a slightly different head design. And I just wanted to do a bit of an experiment. It's worked very well, so I'll let you watch the video and I'll see you on the other side. 6 of the little beauties. The first 3 I made because I was messing around with the camera and wasn't paying attention. I burnt, so they're not particularly good at the ends. They've got a bit of damage on the ends. And then the last one I did flicked right over onto one side, so the head's a bit offset, which isn't any good. But I know why that happened, and I know how to modify the die so that it doesn't happen again. And this one here came out really well. Now I measured this up with a set of calipers, and what I was looking for was some good tolerances, because the pieces that these are going to go and make, or the actual pieces, which will be the forged pieces for the engineering firm, they need to be quite close tolerances. So I wanted a diameter of 22. I don't know if you see that. I'll bring this closer to the camera. So I wanted a diameter of 22. So I'm quite happy with that. So there's a third there, and then an overall length of 61, which is good. So that means that process is quite accurate. This was the best one, like I said. Which is good. It's good fun. So I hope you enjoyed this random little video with me. I enjoyed making these, and the jig I didn't enjoy making so much. It was a bit of a pain in the butt, especially getting this angle right. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to leave a like. Also subscribe if you haven't already. And if you are a subscriber and you haven't pressed the bell for notifications, why not? That'll tell you every time I make a video. And then if you like this video, why not head over to my channel? You might find some more videos that you find interesting or might like. I make all sorts of things, from how to make videos, from tongs to hammers, all the way to crazy orc swords. So go over and check out the channel. Check some comments down below, because I love hearing from you guys. It's really good community that's growing. There's a few guys that comment real regular, and I really appreciate that. Thank you guys. That's about it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link to that crazy orc sword that I was talking about, and then I will chuck a video down here to something else. Thank you for joining me, guys. See you later. Bye bye. Go on.